Ako po si Christopher.
And I'm Mr. De Leon.
We'd like to talk to you about a pleasurable investment.
And a profitable investment at one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Our very own Boracay.
It's time to talk about pleasure. Marami sa atin nangangailangan ng bakasyon at least once or twice a year. Pero kadalasan, ang hirap mag-book sa mga hotels, lalong-lalo na kapag peak season. Masyado pang magastos. A vacation can turn out to be more stressful than relaxing.
Why would you trouble yourself kung pwede ka magkaroon ng sarili mong Boracay property? That's right. Imagine, anytime you want to go to Boracay, all you have to do is take a 30-minute flight.
For a very, very affordable price, you can own a Boracay Condotel. Ito ang DMCI Homes Alta Vista in Boracay. Alam nyo, itong DMCI Homes ay isang kilala at matatag na construction at real estate company dito sa Pinas. Ang Alta Vista Boracay ay isa sa pinakabago nilang proyekto. Ang Alta Vista ay isang 18-building residential community. May park, garden, swimming pool at play area para sa ating mga kids. Gaya ng sinabi ko, ang Alta Vista ay isang condotel. Pinagsama ang comforts ng isang condominium at convenience ng isang hotel.
Para kami room service sa bahay.
Alta Vista is just a few minutes away from the virgin and serene Puka Beach on one side and the music, lifestyle, and culture of White Beach on the other. So whether you choose peace or party, you're just a stone's throw away.
Now, this is what I call pleasure.
But you may ask, what happens to the time when you're not using your Boracay property? Does it become an idle investment? No.
Now, it's time to talk business. It's time to earn money from your Alta Vista investments through rent or timesharing. What makes a good investment? Stability, good location, service, amenities, value appreciation.
Stability. Make sure na pag property, it's from a very reputable company. This is from DMCI Homes. Good location. This is Boracay, man. It ranks among the top beach destinations in the world. There is a steady stream of tourists looking for a place to stay. The infrastructure in traveling to Boracay is good. Worldwide promotion by the Department of Tourism is constant. There is also marketing support by DMCI Homes. For your tenants who may want to stay for longer periods of time, Boracay is almost a self-sustaining community. There are marketplaces, churches, schools, and medical services. For service and amenities, Alta Vista in Boracay is almost like a hotel. There are services like laundry, sanitation, culinary, engineering, gardening, and administration services. And when it comes to value appreciation, well, we all know this. A hot property like this in Boracay, now, this is what I call business.
Time for pleasure?
Time for business.
It's about time you invest
in DMCI Homes Alta Vista
in
in Boracay.